everyone. And as you can probably see, it's probably a little bit dark still. We're about to head out in the boat. We haven't been out for a couple of days. It's been raining, a little bit of wind, so gave it a couple of days for it to clear. Today's supposed to be mixed. It's supposed to be dry this morning, cloudy, and then later on coming back with all the rain and the wind getting up a little bit for the next few days. So we're going to need to get out there, need to check the pots, get them baited up, and hopefully stop off, maybe try for some mackerel and that. But we're not going to spend too long out there because I do know the weather is supposed to start turning a bit later. More so for the rain, a lot of rain and that, so we'll see. Anyway, let's get down there and see if we've caught anything. Right, we've got to hurry up because I just put the boat on somebody's mooring, like on the rope, because the tide is going out fast. Right. Slowly but surely the rocks are coming up round here and in the next bay. Here's some little crabs by the looks of it. Yep. Catching a few bits in here, but it's not catching as well as it normally does. Spider crabs in there. We've got a bunch of swimmer crabs. With their red eyes. Female there, full of eggs. Don't hold on to them because they keep trying to pinch you. And that's kind of it. Right, let's see if we've got anything in the single pot. Oh no, it's got a nice lobster in it, that's a cracker, that one. It's got two in it actually, but one's probably going to be too small. Got that one. I'll gauge it though, it looks like it might do. It'll just be just under. Get a closer look at this. I mean, that is actually legal. But I mean, it's right on the gauge, so I'm going to let it go. Especially when you see what we got in here. Look at that cracker. Absolute beauty, that one. Absolute beauty. Good to go. Empty pot. 2 whole days out here. Looks like it's going to be like this again this year out here. It's been like this for the last couple of years, but it's been hammered for several years now out here. So. Truces after truce coming out that never used to come around here. It never gets a break, so that's depressing. Done better. I love doing it for that end for sure. Got one nice lobster. That'll be size. Nice one. Look at that. And a small velvet swimming crab. Pot boat to it. It's been like 2 days at sea. 2 traps that have been completely empty. The worst thing is you don't even see any small ones on them anymore. Pot. Tiny lobster in 2 pots. 2 whole. Well, this is the 3rd day really. Again, small one. He'll be under. a couple of small ones. And a little one. We'll see some bigger ones soon. We've had a couple of big ones in here, but no more prawns. Try to grab more time. Yeah, but no big spiders here. Right, I'm going to move this. Do. I've got to get this set. I've never really potted over here before. Not more than that. And you can see the bottoms just literally under some reefs and that. Let's hope something in the set. They're not deep, I know that much. Here. Like I said, it's not deep. Really shallow, probably going to put a spider in that case. Clamber at rocks. Two congers. No, conger over there. I need to pull this out of here to deal with this lot. fish. That side. Go now. Goes. Big one doesn't look too healthy, but I'll get it out and have a look. Yeah, I might keep that big one, you know. It's not looking good. For now. Like it's on its last legs, I'm afraid. And a small one. Next slightly smaller, so this is sort of the biggest crab you're getting here, really. A little bit bigger, but not a lot. There's the final catch. 4 lobsters, 4 spider crabs,